In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time in this phone. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then go to System and click on Date and Time. And here you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off. And now you can pick it manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can personalize time zone as well. To do it, just unmark the automatic one and then pick the time zone that you want to apply. So at first just pick the region and then time zone if available. And also you can change the time format. You can either use local default or you can pick a 24 or 12-hour format clock. It's up to you. So this is it. This is how you can enter date and time settings, how you can change it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.